All living beings in the world need food and water to stay alive. These are the external factors. Similarly, these living beings need some internal factors for growth and development. And among these internal factors are hormones. Students, the hormones which are plant hormones, we also call them phytohormones. Now, what are these phytohormones? Phytohormones are such chemical compounds that plants produce for their growth and development. Students, these plant hormones are of 5 types. Number 1 is auxin. Number 2 is gibberellin. Number 3 is cytokinin. Number 4 is abscisic acid. And number 5 is ethylene. These are the 5 plant hormones. Students, in this lecture, the things we will study are, first of all, what plant hormones are. After that, we will study the types of plant hormones and then the names of the 5 hormones: auxin, gibberellin, cytokinin, abscisic acid, ethylene. We will study all 5 types of hormones and their functions as well. At the end, we will study the functions of plant hormones. So let's start. First, we will study what plant hormones are. Students, plant hormones are such chemical compounds that are present in plants in very low concentration. If we talk about the function of plant hormones, they help in growth and development. Students, these plant hormones are also called phytohormones. Phyto means plants, meaning those hormones which are in plants are called phytohormones. The first plant hormone discovered in the world was called auxin, and it was discovered by Charles Darwin. Now, let's come to the types of plant hormones. Students, the types of plant hormones are of 2 kinds. One type is the plant growth promoters, and the other type is the plant growth inhibitors. The plant growth promoters help in the growth of plants, and the other type, the plant growth inhibitors, help in the inhibition of the plant. Students, there are a total of 5 hormones in plants. Their names are auxin, gibberellin, cytokinin, abscisic acid, and ethylene. We will now study all these 5 hormones and all their functions. The first hormone is auxin. Students, auxin means to grow, meaning this is a hormone that helps in the plant's growth. It is found in the apex of roots or the apex of the stem, which is the tip or topmost point of root and the stem. If we talk about the functions of auxin, then auxin helps in cell elongation, helps in apical dominance, and it also induces parthenocarpy. What is parthenocarpy? Parthenocarpy is called the development of fruit without fertilization, meaning if a fruit develops without fertilization, like tomatoes, it is called parthenocarpy. So, the auxin hormone induces parthenocarpy. Apart from that, the other functions of the hormone include promoting flowering, helping in cell division, and helping in reproduction in cutting and grafting. If we talk about the examples of auxin, then IAA, BAA, NAA, and butyric naphthalene are all examples of the auxin hormone. Now let's come to the second type of plant hormone called gibberellins. Students, this hormone is acidic in nature. More than 100 types of this hormone have been discovered so far. If we talk about the functions of gibberellins, it helps in the elongation of the stem, induces parthenocarpy, induces the formation of hydrolytic enzymes in plants, and the main function, it breaks seed dormancy. What is seed dormancy? It is a state of the seed in which the seed cannot germinate. So, it breaks the dormancy of the seed so that it can germinate. That is, gibberellin breaks seed dormancy. Let's now read about the discovery of the gibberellin hormone. Students, a Japanese botanist discovered gibberellin while working on the foolish seedling disease in rice, also known as bakane. This disease is caused by a fungus named Gibberellina fujikuroi. This fungus infects plants. Now let's move to the third hormone called cytokinin. Students, the cytokinin hormone helps in cytokinesis. What is cytokinesis? It is a process in cell division where the division of cytoplasm occurs. In other words, the division of cytoplasm is called cytokinesis. So, the cytokinin hormone helps in cytokinesis. If we talk about its examples, then cytin and kinetin are examples of the cytokinin hormone. Now let's talk about the functions of cytokinin. It promotes growth, induces apical dominance, and facilitates the formation of chloroplasts. Now let's move to the fourth hormone called abscisic acid. This hormone is known as the inhibiting hormone. Its other name is the stress hormone. This hormone inhibits growth. Inhibit means to stop. That is, it helps in stopping growth. If we talk about the functions of abscisic acid, it inhibits seed germination, stimulates the closure of stomata to prevent transpiration. Apart from that, it accelerates seed dormancy. Now, let's move to the last hormone called ethylene. Students, this hormone has dual functions. It helps in growth as well as inhibition. It helps in both. Talking about the ethylene hormone, this hormone is available in gas form. If we talk about its functions, the first function of plant hormone is to help in the ripening of fruits. It breaks seed dormancy, promotes abscission, and also helps in the growth of roots. These are all the functions of plant hormones. Question of the day: what is the other name of the plant hormone? Only a genius can answer in the comments below. If you would like to watch my other lectures on topics like the lungs, kidneys, liver, brain and eyes, visit my channel to view my other videos.